Welcome to week 8 of our Python programming series. In this video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of file handling. Files are a crucial part of any programming language, and Python provides powerful tools for working with them. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a solid understanding of file operations, opening and closing files, reading and writing data, file modes, file pointers, and handling exceptions. So, let's get started. Working with files. Files are an essential aspect of programming, allowing us to store and manipulate data. Understanding file handling in Python is crucial for any developer. We'll explore the different file operations available in Python, such as reading from files, writing to files, and appending data to existing files. Opening and closing files. Before we can work with files, we need to understand how to open and close them properly. In this segment, we'll cover the basics of opening and closing files in Python. By using the built-in open function, we can specify the file's name, path, and the desired mode for opening the file. It's essential to close files properly to release system resources. Reading and writing files. In this segment, we'll explore different approaches for reading data from files and writing data to files in Python. We'll cover methods like read, readline, and readlines for reading data from files. Additionally, we'll learn how to write data using the write and writelines methods. File modes and file pointers. File modes and file pointers are crucial concepts when working with files. Understanding them allows us to control file operations and navigate through files. We'll explore different file modes, including read, write, append, and binary modes. Additionally, we'll see how file pointers can be used to navigate and manipulate file positions. Handling exceptions with files. When working with files, it's essential to handle potential errors and exceptions gracefully. In this segment, we'll explore error handling techniques specifically related to file operations. We'll utilize try-except blocks to catch and handle file-related exceptions, ensuring our programs handle errors gracefully and continue execution. Congratulations! You've completed Week 8's lesson on working with files in Python. You've learned about the importance of file handling, opening and closing files, reading and writing data, file modes, file pointers, and handling exceptions. These skills are crucial for any Python developer working with files and data. Keep practicing and exploring file handling techniques, and you'll become a proficient file handler in no time.